We are at a Ryokan in Yamanashi Prefecture near Kofu, which is one of the major cities in the prefecture, in an area called Fuefuki. And this sub-area is called Fuefukigawa Onsen Zabou, which is the name of the ryokan. And so it's a luxury ryokan with 23 rooms. It was established about 25 or 26 years ago, but it turned into a luxury property about 2015. They went through a few ownership changes, but what you see for the most part is current as of 2015. Anyway, so there's my Nikon camera there. There's two rooms that have open air bath, onsen, along a pond, koi pond. And this is one of them. This is Kotogawa, and then there's another one, I forgot the name. Tsuzumigawa, yes, thank you. So this is the view from the room. Look at that. That's pretty awesome. And look at all the koi fish swimming around down there. Yeah, there you go. A bunch of them. And so you can see here, there's a sitting area, there's two seats, coffee table, and then there is the onsen hot springs that you can enjoy while you have the utmost in beauty, comfort, and privacy. And so Kotogawa and Tsuzumigawa are the two rooms with this iconic view that's also shown on the front page of this ryokan called Fuefukigawa Onsen Zabou. There are a few rooms that are larger in space, but not in terms of this beauty and tranquility and privacy, which is why we chose it. So this is the living area that I showed you. What's nice about this is, it's a tatami room with the tatami matted floors, but you can see the chair. You don't sit as high as on a chair as you can in the U.S. or Europe, but you're not seated flat on the floor, which is kind of nice. I sat on it, and it's a pretty nice balance. You can also see that with these chairs, you can't have the posts because they'll do damage to the tatami floor. So this is kind of a good compromise in terms of having a chair while also maintaining the integrity of the tatami matted floor. And then this is the sleeping area. You can close this like this. I'm just saying you can. If you want some level of segregation between when you're sleeping and maybe your significant others in the other room working or watching TV. A little work area here. Another view here. And to get to the onsen, first, this is the wash basin. Again, one sink, so doesn't tick the 5-star luxury boxes in a way. And then here is the toilet, the latest Toto Neorest washlet toilet. And so to get out into the onsen is here. So this is where you wash up with a hand shower. Hot springs, I can smell the sulfur. It is definitely legit. It's straight from the source nearby, never recirculated, free flowing. And this is what you can enjoy while you take a nice soak in the hot spring. So anyways, this is Fuefukigawa Onsen Zabou, Z-A-B-O-U. You can see that no peeping Toms will be able to see you. while you're here. So again, you don't, the showers outdoor. If it's freezing cold, you might kind of have some issues with it. And it's a low one, so you kind of have to hold it in your hand while you wash up. But I think it's a small price to pay for what you get with this room and this experience at this ryokan. All right, Fuefukigawa Onsen Zabou. This is one of the two special rooms. Kotogawa. Hope you enjoyed.